Yes, sir. Completed.
Click the topic. Scroll down. There is subscriptions. Right? Create a subscription. Create a subscription. Protocol. Select email. Give the mail ID which you can access. Don't give other mail IDs which you can access and say create subscription. Okay. You should see in subscriptions. When you click subscriptions, it is showing as pending sub confirmation.
Yes, sir.
Go to your mail ID. Go to your mail ID. Okay. Which log into your mail ID. You should see one mail.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you see?
In spam folder.
In
I guess.
spam, sir.
Please check that also. Yeah, it is there.
Yeah, sir.
You see this one, AWS notification, subscription confirmation. Open this and confirm subscription.
Okay.
AWS does not send messages until unless you confirm. Okay, until unless you confirm. So confirm the subscription.
Done, sir.
You should get message like this.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can close this one. Don't close the mail. You keep it aside. All right. Just try to refresh this one. Maybe you can say once again, click subscription, topics. You can say subscriptions. You should see message confirmed.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Got
Yes,
it,
sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you understood about notification service, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You can
Yes,
add
sir.
any type of protocol. So suppose if you want to create one more subscription, you can create more subscriptions. You can have even email, SMS also. You can give your phone number. But Indian phones, I don't know whether it is working or not. Right? You can have any
Yes.
of these functions, emails, HTTP, or maybe Lambda or SQS, other services. So you can have multiple email IDs also as subscribers. So yes, the first part is done now. First part is done. Task 1, confirmed. Now second one. Done, everyone?
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Done, sir.
We are going to create an alarm. Alarm. What is an alarm? Just tell me, anyone?
It's a reminder.
When the threshold is crossed, we call it as an alarm. Hey, you are crossing your limits. Alarm. When the time is up, alarm. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same thing here also. We want to create an alarm saying that when my CPU usage is more than 70% or 80%, I should get an alarm. For the server, we have one server, right? What is the name of the server? Stress test.
Yes, yes.
So stress test, normally the CPU usage can be seen with the help of top also. Top. I shown you, right? Top.
Yes.
Copy top. You can see
Yes, sir.
ideal if it is 100%, it is not. So what you can do in this, we will just see the metrics here. First, we will identify the metrics. Go to your CloudWatch. But before that, I say, go to your EC2 first. You have one server. See this one. This is your server. What is the ID of the instance ID? This one. I'm just copying. Maybe somewhere here I write it. I write it. This one. Rough notes. This is my instance ID. Leave it. Is this clear? So here there is a tab called as monitoring. For your understanding, I'm saying monitoring. This is nothing but CloudWatch. But I'll show you using a tool also. The CPU uses, you see this one? Just enlarge this one, CPU utilization. Every 5 minutes, it records the data. The CPU uses. Earlier, the first shot, there the CPU usage is somewhat like 19% for me. And after that, it has come to less than 1%, 0.16. Did you see that? Again, after 5 minutes, there will be another shot. Whether it will be parallel or going high, I don't know. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So where it is, sir? CPU usage?
Again, I show you. Select the instances. Right? You have selected.
Yes, sir.
Select this monitoring tab here, bottom.
Yes, sir.
Scroll down. You have CPU utilization.
Yes, sir.
The first one, click the 3 dots and enlarge. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The other one, other way is that you have copied down already the instance ID. Leave it. So here in the search, you say CloudWatch. This is a monitoring service. This is a monitoring service. And you know, AWS doesn't charge for this service. CloudTrail, no charge. CloudWatch, no charge. If you are having a customized metrics, then only they charge, but default, they don't charge anything. So now you see this, so this is the CloudWatch. Watching?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here you see this in the dashboard, you see in this
Matrix.
dashboard, lot of things are there like alarms, logs, metrics, X-ray traces, events, application monitoring, insights. We have various features. We have separate labs for all those things during our AWS classes. Okay, JOS. So here he is asking to explore this metrics. So all metrics, okay. All metrics means for all the instances. So I don't have all the instances. Just select EC2 for instance metrics. Okay. Yeah. You see this, there is one server stress test. Is this clear? Did you see all these things, how to go into the metrics?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now metrics, all metrics, for instance metrics. Now you can see CPU utilization, point number 18. In this, scroll down, CPU utilization and select that. Then you can see the graph coming here. The same graph which you saw earlier will be here.
Yes, sir.
I'm not going in a hurry. If anyone is not not synchronizing, please let me know.
Sir, after all metrics, like?
For instance, you see, again, I show you. See this one, all metrics.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maybe I'll show you something. All metrics. Again, I show you. Maybe browse. You are in browse, right? So here,
Yes, sir.
what you need to do, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down till you see the CPU utilization.
Okay, sir.
And ensure that this instance ID is matching. It will match 9A06. We noted down right here 9A06. Same thing. Stress test for CPU utilization, only that tick that. CPU utilization. You should see the same graph which you saw earlier.
Only CPU utilization, sir.
CPU utilization. We want to do that. See, it is basically showing the CPU statistics now. Every 5 minutes, this CloudWatch will collect the metrics from the CPU, from the EC2. Is this clear? Every 5 minutes. You see this one here. I can ask even. This is 5 minutes interval. You can see this one. Like this, 6:15, 6:30. In between, there are 3 shots. You see this one? You
Yes,
can ask for a line graph, staggered, but line is okay for us. So I have selected this one. I have selected this one. CPU utilization for the stress test. Okay, the following. Yeah, like this. Like this. You are seeing the screen also, right? And 19th one. 19th one. I have selected already now. Select this alarms. So this is done now. I have selected this particular one. Which one? This particular one. Okay, go back to alarms. Alarms. All alarms. Choose all alarms. Are there any alarms configured?
No,
Sir,
sir.
No, sir.
no,
I have
sir.
a doubt.
Sorry.
Sir, when I click on the all metrics, I'm not able to see the all the stress tests and the browse tab. I'm not able to see that.
Select this browse.
Yes, sir, I've selected.
You will see all the stress test.
No, sir, I'm only seeing the EBS, EC2,
EC2.
Yeah, you
Not
have to click
EC2.
the EC2.
Okay.
For instance, metrics.
Yes, sir, I got it. I got it.
Right. So that is done. That part is done. We have selected CPU. Now alarms. All alarms. Do we have any alarms? No. We are going to create an alarm. Point number 20. Create an alarm. And in EC2, same thing. We are going to select CPU utilization and select the metrics. Okay. So create an alarm. Select metrics. Okay. EC2. For instance, metrics, same thing, the earlier phase. Go and select the CPU utilization. CPU utilization, where is that? Yeah, select that, CPU utilization. And select metric. Following everyone?
Yes, sir.
We are creating an alarm. Select
Yes,
this
sir.
metrics. So you should see the same graph following you. So
Yes.
we are configuring an alarm now. Okay. So stress test. Now you have to follow the following. The enter CPU utilization. The matrix name. The name of the matrix is CPU utilization. Scroll down. It's already there. CPU utilization. The instance ID is also there. Instance ID. Statistics. Enter average. Enter average. So here stress test. This is already in average. Okay. Define a threshold value. See here. 1 minute. From the drop down, choose 1 minute. Not 5 minutes. Choose 1 minute. 1 minute interval, you need to get the graph. Is this clear? Scroll down. Scroll down. So static threshold greater than 60. When my CPU utilization is greater. What is the CPU utilization currently now?
630.
Less than 1%. So I'm creating an alarm. When my CPU utilization is greater than 60%, I should get an email. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So say that static greater than how much?
60.
60. 60. Right? Like this. So you should get a red bar at the top when you say 60 here. Did you get
Yes, sir.
red bar at the top? Okay. Scroll down. Okay.
Next.
Static greater than 60. All these things is done. Say next. Configure actions. Say next. Okay. Configure actions in this. You need to provide what type of alarm. So say here, choose in alarm and SNS topic also. Choose in alarm, which is already there. Choose the SNS topic. We have created one SNS topic, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
ICW alarm. Select that. If you have created there, it will come here. And it will show the mail ID also.
Yes, sir.
If you have-
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So my CW alarm and say next. And say next.
Alarm name.
Yeah. So it will ask you the alarm name. You can give any name, but here,
No,
it
sir.
will ask,
Here it's
you know,
defined.
lab CPU utilization alarm. Okay. Scroll down. Alarm description. Maybe you can say the long one. CloudWatch alarm for stress test. EC2 instance, CPU utilization.
No description, sir.
No description. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, description optional is written. If you want to view formatting guidelines, you can, but not there here. Edit. Yeah, I think you have to write it here. You can paste it here. in edit and say next. So your alarm is almost getting ready to create. So create alarm. So this is a preview page. Just say create alarm. You should see one alarm is created. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This alarm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So currently there are 3 status in alarms. Please remember 3 status in alarms. One is insufficient data, which is
Yes.
already there. Okay.
Actions added.
In alarm, 3 status are there. You see here 3 status. One, this 3 status. The round with 3 dots. This is called as insufficient data.
Lab.
Mark. The tick mark, which is there, the tick mark, which is there, that is called as okay. And this one with an exclamation mark, that is called as alarm. There is an alarm. Currently, are there any alarms?
Yeah, no, sir.
No, sir.
Alarms. No alarms. In alarm is that triggered, alarm triggered. The siren started. But here currently it is showing as insufficient data because it is collecting the data now. Try to refresh. You should say after a few minutes, after a minute's time, should see it should come to okay. Okay means normal status. It's nothing.
Yes, sir. It's getting out.
It's okay, right?
Yes, sir.
After a few minutes, it will come once the data is received. So then you should see 0, 1, 0 like this. This is clear. This is task 2 complete. We have successfully learnt about alarm. Right? Yes or no? Second part.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So it is still in insufficient data, but it will come.
Insufficient data.
So my CPU usage, if it crosses 60%, then only I get notification. You can even check in your email box also if you are getting any
ఏంటి
email.
కదా?
As of now, nothing is
Look.
there. As of now, nothing is there. Right? So in my next task, we will increase the CPU load. That is called a stress test. Is this clear? Stress test. How do you do that? You have an EC2 AWS
ఏంటి
detail.
వేళ?
You can keep in mute. Okay. Okay. So go to your AWS details. You will see an EC2 instance URL. URL. Where is that URL? Yeah, here your HTTPS, which is there. Let me see whether it directly goes to your, sessions manager. This is opening as otherwise we have to go manually the sessions manager. If it opens, okay,
It's
fine.
going to session manager, sir.
Fantastic. Yeah, it is. It is.
Sir, can you repeat, sir, once again?
Click the URL in your AWS details at the top. See this one? There is an EC2 instance URL. Select that. You see this one, CD and say PWD. You are in home SAM user. Okay. Now we want to perform a stress test. We want to perform stress test. See here, as of now, there is no alarm. Maybe it should be an okay also. Yeah, it is an okay. It's an okay. There is no alarm. If alarm comes, then this one will be triggered. The first one, it will say the status as in alarm. Earlier it was in insufficient data. Now it is okay. Clear, everyone? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
let me
Yes,
increase
sir.
the stress. Let me increase the CPU utilization. So even if I say top, you all know this top command, right?
Yes, sir.
So we saw this one here. The CPU is 97% idle. CPU
Sir,
is
CPU utilization.
100% idle. So CPU utilization is not there, 0 almost. But what is our alarm? What is our alarm? If the CPU average utilization for 5 minutes is greater than 60, then alarm comes. Is this clear?
We
Yes,
have
sir.
set to 1
Yes.
minute, no, sir?
Sorry?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, no, sir?
1 minute, I think. 1 minute. Let us do that. Let us do that average CPU utilization. So for that, there is a stress command in that, So just copy, says that CPU utilization, okay. The timeout is 400 seconds. Till 400 seconds, you have to every 10 seconds, please increase the stress. That's what, increase the stress. So how do we do that? Right click and say paste this particular one. Press enter. So it is increasing the stress. CPU usage will shoot up. Let us wait. The output format should looks like this. Just wait for some more time. This command runs for 400 seconds, load CPU to 100%, and then decreases the CPU to 0% after the allotted time. So we asked for 400 seconds, right? 400 seconds, it will be 100% CPU utilization will be there. And then it will come down. Okay. So here, 33, in the console page, choose EC2 instance URL, stress test.
Top,
Okay.
sir, top.
Top
We
is there.
completed.
So another one, if you want to see this one, you can do maybe what you can say, you can open another window, second window, not this, duplicate, and see top, how much CPU is loaded. POP. Oh, yeah. Is the CPU loaded?
Yes, sir.
Is it idle now?
No, sir.
No way. 99.7, 100% is the user. So it is CPU is fully loaded now. Just wait. Okay. Navigate back to your console. 1 minute minimum, we have to see that, right? Lab CPU utilization alarm. So in this particular one, you can see this particular one. It should automatically change to 1. Refresh every 1 minute until the status is in alarm. It takes few minutes to the alarm status to change to in alarm, and you can see the email also. Try to refresh. Still insufficient data, it didn't get the data. Maybe every 1 minute you have to try. So anyone after refreshing, if you see the status as in alarm, just let me know. Let the stress test go through. Here the stress test is going on. It is not come out, it is going on. And you can see here also, the idle is 0%, fully loaded.
Yes, 100%.
So did you get alarm?
No, sir.
No,
Not yet.
sir.
I think you had to wait 5 minutes, because I know CloudWatch takes metrics only every 5 minutes. We asked for 1 minute, but it's okay.
Sir, got notification, sir.
Got? That's excellent. So you see this, once if you get in alarm, once if you get notification, go to your mailbox and verify. Check spam and the other folders also, promotions.
Yes, sir.
You should see a mail also.
Threshold crossed one of the last one data points.
You got a mail?
Yes, sir. I got, sir.
That's fantastic. So that is the outcome of this particular one. You should see a new mail. That is part 3. That is part 3. If you are getting email, fantastic. Yours is you have successfully configured.
Sir, it's stating as okay, sir, in this
Okay.
alarm status.
Then you have to wait still more. Still more. You should get in alarm status. If you don't get in alarm, you will not get any mail.
Okay.
You will not get any mail. I didn't get any mail. You have to wait.
Sir,
Not-
I got okay, sir. I didn't got in alarm.
Then you'll get. You have to wait.
No, sir, I got only okay.
Okay is not an alarm. The status should change from okay to in alarm. This one, this is there, right? In alarm.
Okay.
That should come. That triangle bar should come here. Red color it will come.
Yes, sir.
So normally every 5 minutes we get the data. So till the 5th minute you don't get. This CloudWatch doesn't get the data. from the instance. So you have to wait. In some cases, already you are in the verge of 3rd minute or 4th minute, you might have got.
Sir, again, it's changed to insufficient data, sir.
It may come, it may go insufficient data, but you have to wait till you get in alarm.
Okay.
Just ensure your stress test is running and also ensure that idle is 0. That's all, the other 2 windows. Because this is up to 400 seconds we asked. 400 seconds means 6 into more than 7 minutes. 6 sevens are nearly 7 minutes. So in my case also it is okay only, but I have to wait. You can refresh every 1 minute, not required actually. So else anyone got alarm?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. If you get alarm, then only watch the mail. Otherwise, not it won't come. You will see the triangle bar. This is insufficient data means it is collecting the data, nothing more.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Got it? Anyone else got? This is monitoring. Even in the IT industries also, if there is anything abnormalities which is happening, immediately they'll get a message on their mobile phones. You know how they get? Like this. They configure everything. My CPU utilization is more than 80%. Oh, immediately there is some process which is got stuck. So immediately they'll work on the system. What if there is no alarms? You will see the server fail. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Server fail and then there will be a greater damage. Now they can take immediate action. What is stopping? What is why this is more or something like that. That's why this is called as proactive monitoring.
Yes, sir. Got my name.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, I got it.
In my case, it's not yet.
So for me also insufficient data only, sir.
Me,
Wait.
sir. Me too.
Yeah. So if it is a signal normally, then probably once again you run this particular one, stress test.
Yeah, it came to okay now.
Okay. Yeah, in alarm, in my case, after a long time. You can see here in alarm, everyone.
Yes,
Like
sir.
this,
Yes,
you will
sir.
get like this. See, normally we don't sit on the screen. In alarm will come. And this, what it does, once it comes to in alarm, it will send SNS notification.
Okay.
It will send notification. You can see here in this notification, probably a mail, you got an alarm mail. See this one? Right? You see here, the subject name is lab CPU utilization alarm, the name of the alarm. Insufficient data from alarm. Alarm has come like this. Maybe okay to something like that. So what is the reason? Threshold crossed. Threshold crossed. So it has crossed more than 60%. 60%. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So then they will immediately take action. Then they will immediately take action in alarm. So they will go, oh, there is one immediately, okay, stop this particular one and monitor, see this one, how much it is coming across CPU. Now it is idle. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After a period of time, the alarm gets disappears. Okay, we are left with task 4. Task 4. So go to your CloudWatch section, dashboards, create a dashboard. In the dashboard, enter label EC2 dashboard and then choose create dashboard. This is 40. Go to dashboard, create a dashboard. Okay, create a dashboard. Line, metrics, EC2, line, what type of graph, etc. Metrics, EC2, for instance, metrics, stress test. And CPU utilization, metrics name. What is that?
Done, sir.
Okay,
It is showing a change.
select,
So can you repeat, sir?
select CPU utilization. Same thing. Dashboard. See, this is now how the graph looks like. Earlier, this one, this one, this one. Now it has shot up. Okay, I selected this. And then choose create a widget. Yeah. Because you are storing the recordings basically, nothing more. Yeah, this is your widget. Save dashboard. So the graph, everything will be saved. That's all. You have created. So now the following things we learned. Most importantly, the notification, configured your cloud alarm. Yes, we learned, and we conducted a stress test using the sessions manager. And then we confirmed that a mail was sent. And last is that we have also created a widget using this CloudWatch dashboard. Right?